I sealed it in its shell. Ha 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 ha.
Today I'm a CyberWitch, and in my magic recipe book I have very spooky ingredients, and you know what happens when I put them together? They make all those bad invisible networks appear which your eyes cannot see. First ingredient, Raspberry Pi 02. It's the brain of my creature. Second, a little magic face ink display so my magical creature can show its mood. Third, a pie sugar heart so my creature can roam free and never sleep. Fourth, a glowing shell, cause every witch needs style. Let's stack them together and bring this creature to life. Spaces are done, now the Raspberry Pi. Looks like we're getting there. This tiny card right now is empty, no magic, no memories, nothing. And every witch needs a spell book, so this tiny card is going to be my ghost spell book. Without this, my creature is just a body with no brain, so watch, I'm about to give it a soul. Now I pour the spell into the card, drop by drop. I'm breathing the magic right into its memory. Shh, don't interrupt a witch mid-spell. Cauldron's loading. 70% almost live. Every spell it will ever know is being written right now into this little chip. Done, the spell book is written, and just like that, my empty card is now full of magic. Time to feed it to my ghostling. I stacked them, I fed it with the magic spells.
I sealed it in its shell. Ha 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 ha.
So complete. Now let's wake her up. Wake up, little ghost. Little ghost of wire and spark. Open your eyes and pierce the dark. Rise, my creature. Brew is done. Show me the signals, every single one. I summon you from slumber, keeper of unseen signals. Rise! There she is, my little Wi-Fi witch is awake. Short disclaimer for learning only. Everything's tested on our own devices and home lab. Never on networks we don't own. A Pwnagotchi shows why strong passwords matter. Using one on other people's networks isn't cool or legal. just a bit of my spell, it will be fully awake. I summon you. There she is, my little Wi-Fi ghostling, is awake. Here's the spooky part. Right now, sitting all around you, there are invisible Wi-Fi signals floating in the air like little ghosts that you can't see, but my creature reveals every single one. Look at all these hidden names, and my creature found them all in my lab. The lesson you'll learn from my ghostling is that you should have a super strong Wi-Fi password at home so my ghostling can't sneak in. Spell complete. Follow for more cyber magic, my little apprentices. There she is, my little Wi-Fi ghostling is awake. And maybe Charlie too. Charlie, look at this Pwnagotchi. It's my Wi-Fi ghostling. Charlie, are you interested? You're interested in everything else except this. No, Charlie, it's not my new pet. No, I love you more than I love my Pwnagotchi. Actually, I love you both the same. Okay, Charlie? No, don't feel sad. Oh, I still love you, don't you? Oh, just look at it. It just teased you, Charlie. I'm so sorry. And now it's crying. Let me put a spell on you. Beep. Bibbity bobbity boo. Boom.